Hello, this is Norddine from Learn Moroccan Arabic in 4 easy steps: plan, do, check, and act, combining vocabulary, grammar, expressions, and dialogues to create a comprehensive, enjoyable learning experience. So, subscribe to this channel and turn on the notification icon if you want to learn how to engage in normal conversations with the Moroccan people in no time. So let's start lesson number 5. So by the end of lesson number 5, you are going to learn in the expression section how to say something is big or small, how to ask about giving and about and give price. The dialogue is at the clothes shop. In the vocabulary section, you are going to learn names of clothes, colors, materials, sizes, some verbs like play and go, okay, in the present questions form. In the final section, grammar, you are going to learn how to use personal pronouns, how to use singular and plural for nouns, adjectives, for personal pronouns, etc., and how to conjugate the verb play and go in the simple present, the question forms. Now let's go to step number 1, how to express, asking about giving price. How much are these trousers? شحال كيديروا هاد السراول وشحال كيدير هاد السروال. How much is شحال كيدير. We do not need كيدير. كيدير is to make. هاد السروال. سروال in Moroccan Arabic is singular. Okay, they are 150 dirhams. كيدير 150 درهم. 150 درهم. So 100 is 100, 50 is 50. How much is this cap? شحال هاد الكاسكيطة. كاسكيطة is cap. It is 50 dirhams. 50 درهم. 50 درهم. 50 dirhams. How much is a glass of orange juice? شحال كاس ديال عصير البرتقال or عصير ليمون. Okay, so glass is كاس. Orange juice عصير ليمون or عصير البرتقال. It's 8 dirhams. 8 دراهم. 8 دراهم. Okay, now let's go to say something is big or small. He has a big car. عنده طوموبيلة كبيرة. So عنده, he has. Okay, I have, عندي. You have, عندك. Okay, you have for feminine, عندكي. We have, عندنا. You have, عندكم. They have, عندهم. So عنده طوموبيلة كبيرة. كبيرة is big. Car is طوموبيلة or طوموبيل. We have a small house. عندنا دار صغيرة. So small is صغيرة and house is dar. Note the inversion of the order of the adjective and the noun in Moroccan Arabic. Now let's go to verbs. Affirmative, present. To play football, question. Do I play football? واش كنلعب الكرة? So, do you play football? واش كتلعب الكرة? Feminine. واش كتلعبي الكرة? Does he play football? واش كيلعب الكرة؟ Does she play football? واش كتلعب الكرة؟ Do we play football? واش كنلعبوا الكرة؟ Do you play football? واش كتلعبوا الكرة؟ Do they play football? واش كيلعبوا الكرة؟ So أنا أنت and هو are personal pronouns. Okay, so I is أنا, you is أنت for feminine T, هو is he, هي is she, أنت is you. Okay, intuma plural. Okay, and huma plural. Okay, now let's go to the beach. Do I go to the beach? واش كنمشي لا plage? Do you go to the beach? واش كتمشي لا plage? Does he go to the beach? واش كيمشي لا plage? Does she go to the beach? واش كتمشي لا plage? Do we go to the beach? واش كنمشيو لا plage? Do you go to the beach? واش كتمشيو لا plage? Do they go to the beach? واش كيمشيو لا plage? Alright? Now let's go to the dialogue. Step number 2. Said and the shop assistant are at the clothes shop. English version, Moroccan Arabic transcription version. Assistant, can I help you? ممكن ساعدك. So can, ممكن, asking for permission. ممكن, help you, نساعدك, help, نساعد. Okay, you, the A, K, all right, suffix at the end of the verb in Moroccan Arabic. Said, yes, please. Wacha afak. Yes, wacha. Please, afak. How much is this leather jacket? شحال هاد الجاكيطة ديال الجلد. Okay, how much is شحال? This had this leather jacket, جاكيطة ديال الجلد. So the inversion also happens in this case. So جاكيطة ديال الجلد, leather jacket. So you have jacket of leather. Assistant, which one? شكون فيهم? Which one? شكون فيهم? That brown one, هذيك البنية, هذيك البنية, or هذيك القهوية. So بنية and قهوية are the same thing in Moroccan Arabic. Assistant, 700 dirhams. Do you like it? 700 dirham. So 700 is 700 dirham. واش بغيتيها? Do you like it? واش بغيتيها? Yes, but it is a big expensive. ولكن غالية شوية. ولكن is but. A bit expensive, غالية شوية. So a bit is شوية, غالية شوية. And heavy, وثقيلة, ثقيلة. Alright. What about this black one? وهاد الكحلة, وهاد الكحلة. What about وهاد الكحلة? And this black one? Assistant, it is better and more expensive. هي أحسن وغالية. هي أحسن كتر وغالية كتر. Alright, if you can say, okay, comparatives in Moroccan Arabic. So, حسن is better and more expensive is غالية كتر. غالية كتر. Take a look. شوف. It is lighter and softer. هي خفيفة كتر ورطبة كتر. Or هي خفيفة ورطبة. So, lighter is خفيفة and softer is رطبة. But what a pity. But ولكن. What a pity, okay, is خسارة. Okay, خسارة, what a pity, خسارة. هي صغيرة شوية. It's a bit small. Okay, صغيرة شوية. So صغيرة is small. A bit شوية. Have you got a larger size? واش عندك قياس كبير? Have you got? واش عندك? Larger size, قياس كبير. So larger, كبير. And size is قياس. Sure, here it is. طبعا, ها هو. Or هاك, take it, هاك. Okay, your size is medium. قياس متوسط. So size is قياس, and the ek sound is for your. Okay, is medium متوسط. We do not need the verb to be in Moroccan Arabic between the subject and the noun, all right, or the adjective, sorry. Said, wow, this one fits me well. Wow, هذه جت معايا مزيان. So wow is an expression of surprise. This one, هذه, fits me, جت معايا. Okay, so fits you, جت معاكم. Fits them, جت معاهم. Okay, مزيان, well. It will go perfectly with all my jeans. غادي تجي مزيان. It will go perfectly. غادي تجي مزيان. Perfectly is مزيان. غادي تجي, okay, perfectly, مع, with, all my jeans, جينات ديالي كلهم. So كلهم is all. Okay, جينات ديالي كلهم. Would you like to buy this one? واش بغيتي تشري هادي? Would you like to buy? واش بغيتي تشري? This one, هادي? Sure, if you reduce the price. طبعا إلى نقصتي ثمن شوية. If you reduce the price a bit. Okay, so if is an expression of condition. To introduce condition in English, the corresponding Moroccan expression is إلى. إلى نقصتي ثمن شوية. So نقصتي for a group of people إلى نقصتو. Alright? For they إلى نقصو also. Alright? Okay? Now, checking comprehension, step number 3. In this section, I'm going to ask you questions in English, and I want you to give me the corresponding exact Moroccan Arabic answer. Okay? Said wants to buy a t-shirt. The black jacket is heavier. The brown jacket suits Said well. Important note, true is sahih and false is khata. Now let's go to the answers. Said wants to buy a t-shirt. So this is khata, false. شحال كدير هاد الجاكيطة ديال الجلد. How much is this leather jacket? ديال الجلد jacket, leather. Okay, ديال الجلد is leather. Okay, so it's not a t-shirt, it's a jacket. Okay, the black jacket is heavier. So also this one is khata, false. هي أحسن وغالية. So talking about the black jacket, they were talking about the black jacket. Okay, so the assistant said هي, it is أحسن, better, وغالية, expensive or more expensive. Okay, all right. So let's go to step number 4. In this section, I'm going to give you sentences in English. Try to give me the exact corresponding Moroccan Arabic equivalent. We want to buy socks. She has small shoes. I don't want to buy these nylon socks. So the answers, number 1, we want to buy socks. بغينا نشريو تقاشر. Okay? You بغيتو تشريو تقاشر. He بغا يشري تقاشر. She بغات تشري تقاشر. Okay? She has small shoes. عندها صباط صغير. Okay? So صباط is singular in Moroccan Arabic. Shoes is plural. Okay? عندها صباط. So صباط, shoes. Okay? I don't want to buy these nylon socks. ما بغيتش تشري هاد التقاشر النيلون or ديال النيلون of nylon. Okay? So congratulations, you have successfully finished lesson number 5. Of course, the first steps are always difficult. Try to subscribe, share, comment, and give it a big thumbs up. Your feedback will surely encourage me to make more videos. So stay tuned for the next videos and good luck.